Hey guys, welcome back to AM Info Trades here. If you're new to this channel, hit the like, subscribe. Let's jump right into the charts. Guys, as you can see from the charts right here, we're currently sitting at $2.76. Now if you go to this line over here, as you can see that I've drawn already, we did get one touch, two touches, three touches on that line. We've been clearly moving on this line. We broke this line here, which was a trend going to the upside, and now we broke under it. We're moving into the downside following this line over here. If you open your chart, you should be able to see it clearly, guys. Now the question is, are we going to the top or are we going to the bottom? Clearly in this video I'm going to give you the percentage of what I think our chances going towards the top are, or towards the bottom chances. What percentage of chances do we have going towards the bottom? Now I'll give you convincing reasons of why I say or why I pick a certain side, instead of picking the opposite side. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. We're looking at this line over here, guys. If you're with me, look at this line. Look over here. We have one touch, two touches, three touches, four touches, few touches over here. We went all the way down until the price hit $2.50. Guys, what a coincidence. Keep that price in mind. And this was in April. We hit $2.50. Then after hitting that price, we see ourselves breaking this trend line, and then we went to the top. Number one reason why I think we're going to the top, guys, just so you know, I am 60% to the top and 40% to the bottom side. 60 to the top, 40% chances to the bottom side. Number one, we've broken the trend line, we've gone up to the top, and then as we can see here, we broke with a gap to the top, and then we got a candle. We were able to break this resistance. We set at the top of the resistance, and now we're bouncing. We're trying to figure out where to go next. Number two, we're looking at over here this kind of head and shoulder pattern that we formed. Normally if you have a head and shoulder pattern, we won't know basically that's a 10 to the top. So we did get some pattern formation over here. Head and shoulder, a shoulder formed, a head formed, a shoulder formed, and then now we're waiting to see ourselves go back to the top side. And then when we look at the other thing that we can check on, usually when we look at 50 and 20 EMAs, as we can see over here in the downtrend, the 50 is above the 20. We're comfortably sitting over here. As soon as the 20 crosses above the 50 EMA, we see ourselves going into an uptrend. Now here we can see we got a signal to go to the top, but as soon as 20 falls below 50, we went back into a downtrend. We were riding it all the way to the downside. Now we look over here, when before it turned, we had a few touches, we got confused, we did not know where we were heading, but then boom, as we can see clearly, we went back into the top side. Now we're comfortably sitting above the 50 EMA. The 20 is also above. We can see ourselves sitting above this now that we can call a support level. This is our comfortable support that we have to sit above to feel comfortably confident that we're going to the top side. The reason why I gave it 60 instead of 70 or 80 or any other bigger number of strength is because we can see the amount of candles that we got. They were actually not that solid. I really love a breakout that has super strong and solid momentum to the top. Yes, we did get a few candles, but they are not looking that strong. So to the top side, we potentially could be going to the first resistance around $3, and then my next should be around 315, 317 over here, this level that you see over here. And then The third will be around 320, 330. If we do break that area, I'm looking at 360, 370 as the other target. But personally, I think we should be seeing around 315, 320. That's where I'll probably start setting my stop losses to avoid any drawdown. So 315, 320, guys, that's where I am going. I don't know about you guys, but this is what I'm doing. I'm sharing with you guys. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell. Now 40% chances to the downside. We could see ourselves falling around 360. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's so interesting when you are in the charts. Look at this, 360. If we do fall below that area of the shoulder, we could see ourselves back to this line around 333, 330, 320, yeah, 335 ish. At that price, I am telling you guys, I'm going to load up if I do see that price around this time of the year. The other reason why I'm saying that, I did a bit of a research. 7-year average. Now this is the actual natural gas 7-year average that I tend to use to gauge if it's overpriced or if we are driving on an actually average price. Usually for the past 7-year monthly price, in April we usually play with $2.58, and then May will be at $2.71, and then June will go at $2.97. So as you can see, we move towards the top as we move from April, May, June. So guys, this is for you to keep in mind. Then when we look at the fundamentals of what is happening, guys, right now the bearish factors that we can consider is we do have US production sitting at a comfortable level. The storages, they seem to be in a comfortable level. Even the weather itself is looking kind of it's mild. Yes, we do not have an extreme weather condition happening right now. The other bullish factors now that we can look at is the exports are rising. The geopolitical situation around us is not looking good. It has some risks, and the expectations for summer coming up, as I've heard in several articles, we could get a really hot summer. So if that happens, we could see natural gas actually giving us a pretty significant move, but we are waiting to see what might happen. Let's wait patiently. Let's see what happens, guys. This is AM Info Trades. I'm back. I hope this is an informative video that I've just given you, and I want you to hit the like, hit the subscribe. You know we give the best information when it comes to charts, guys. I don't know about you guys, but anybody who has subscribed to this channel, they know how accurate our our trades are. We're pretty good at what we do. We're not perfect, but we're pretty good at what we do, guys. Trading is risky. Do your own research on top of what you get out of my video. Aiming for trades. I'm out of here, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and to